Good morning, I'm Sandy, and today I wanted to create a fish mending needle. I remember my papa having one and getting mesmerized by his hands working and doing seine nets. So I decided from memory to go into Tinkercad and create one, which is this one. In Tinkercad, I used the draw tool, the sketch tool, and then I needed to make this curve. I made sure that it was 3 millimeters in width, and then I created one and I copied and pasted and made the other one. And then for the center bar, there is a hole right here. And then I added a cylinder to make it more rounder, so then when you're yanking on your twine, you're not going to create any weak spots. And that is how I created it. Being from a fishing village, our summer goals is to make sure we have enough fish for the winter, whether it is smoked, filleted, whole, dried. And so the nets have a tendency of ripping, especially if the seal gets into it. And it was just a memory of my papa creating and mending nets when I was a little girl. And so I thought I'd be inspired by that because I am going dip netting next month. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your day.